Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. My light has been replaced so I can see again. Yay. We are going to try an open cup pour, which is kind of similar to what people were calling funneling, where you use a toilet paper roll. You just take a cup and you cut the bottom out. Bam. I have, for a base coat, I have some phthalo blue mixed with white to lighten it up. There is no silicone in the base coat. All of this stuff thickened up on me a bit. So this will be what the paint will be flowing into. I have Phthalo Blue by Liquitex Basics. I have Silver by Loft. Metallic White Loft. And I've taken some of that base coat color, and in these smaller cups I have added a drop of Hask Argan oil for the cell action. They are mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, thinned with my mixture of 90% water and 10% Floetrol. All right. So let's lay down some of our base coat. We're just gonna do this quick. Okay, I think first I want to add some blue, silver. These look like they thickened up on me. That bums me out. And this is going to float around a little bit. So you'll see the paint is running underneath of this base coat, which is what you want. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. That would be about 7 ounces of paint. While we're doing this, let me take this opportunity to let you guys know most of the products that you see me using you can find in the Amazon link that is in the description box. I make a small percentage off of anything that you buy when entering through my store. It doesn't even have to be a product in my store as long as you enter through it. And if you're shopping on Amazon anyway, help a sister out. This helps me stay stocked up with supplies to keep bringing you a video every day, which I'm sure you already know. It ain't cheap. pretty clear which direction my unlevel surface is leaning. That has really thickened up. I hate to do too much stirring after I add silicone, but sometimes it's necessary. Something to note is that all of these paints are opaque. Generally, I try to mix it up, but I was experimenting, so I had these colors in my sight and thought they would be beautiful together. One thing I'll note about the argan oil, it doesn't really react very much to torching. So if you are uncomfortable with the idea of torching, it may be a good option for you. I am not a fan of doing it this way. I think I would rather lay down a base coat. This is just too time consuming to do it this way. I won't make you sit through this again. There's a lot of paint on here, so I need to tilt some of this off. 'Tis necessity. Okay, here it is. Lots and lots of cells. A lot of cells. And I really like these colors together. Definitely gonna have to do something more with that. But there it is, the open cup technique, a little something different. I hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something. Please like and share and subscribe and all of that good stuff. And please check out in the description box all of the links that I have to the Facebook group, my website, my PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined to be a patron of the arts and help me stay stocked up in Floetrol, which I need to go to the store and get more. So, I hope you all have a beautiful day. Go make some art.